Hey lovelies, let's go visit Pikes Peak in Colorado.
Dude, you're going too fast.
I'm gonna freak out. It's gonna freak me out. I don't wanna look. Oh gosh, are people are packing here?
Oh my god. That's it. That's no. That's no.
It should be about 10,000.
But that's so close to the snow right now.
What?
That's like water on top of.
On top of the mountain.
In my hoodie life, I've never come here.
Scenic overlook.
So let's
Your
stand
hoodie life,
here
your life is over.
and see.
Yes, it is.
Alright, so here we had to stop briefly for the kids to take pictures. It was a beautiful sight to look at, but I'm telling you, that drive up there was really scary. So while driving up, we had so much dew. There was so much dew. The weather was really bad. It was difficult to see the oncoming vehicle in front of you. I think that was why the park was kind of closed.
You can't go further. We can't go further than this.
So we can't go further than this?
The road is closed.
Okay, the road is closed because of, oh, this is beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah. So big. Please can we stay here for like 80 minutes?
Oh, we're gonna spend some time here.
Mommy, I'm gonna sleep. Over here. It's not even that cold. Yeah.
This is beautiful. Wow.
Let's go. Let me pull it.
Okay, so the kids were actually seeing snow, like real snow, for the first time in their life.
Okay,
man,
Bube.
they had so much fun. They did have so much fun making snowman, playing in the snow. And for the first time, I didn't stop them from playing outside. So yeah, they had fun here. I wish we had the opportunity to get to the top of Pikes Peak, but hopefully next time we'll make the drive down there and get over there if the weather permits.
I touched it. I'm eating snow. No way, are we? Oh. Come on. Okay.
And of course, I had to also get my face in the video. Make I no carry last. Yes.
My hand up. Ooh, my hand up.
You're gonna get a freeze if you're not careful.
My hand up. Mommy, please can I open the car?
Hey, stop that.
This is fake snow. That is make.
Okay, guys, let's go. We gotta
Are you
go.
done? Where's the eyes? Put the eyes, nose.
My bum is spinning. Okay, that's the mouth.
Put the mouth.
Hmm?
Get a stone. Look at the stone there. Ebe, oh yeah, look at those stones there, right there. Look at those tiny stones.
Untie it.
Okay, make the eyes.
Untie.
Tie.
Tie.
Okay, put the eyes.
You need some snow to help you guys. And now,
Okay, let's go. Bye.
There you go. Look at your snowman. Go stand next to it so I can take a picture.
hey guys, let's go.
Stand next to it. Ebe, Onyego, Chisam, go stand next to the snowman. Hurry up.
I'm gonna
Ebe,
name-
don't run it. Don't make sure that thing doesn't go.
I'm going to name him Ebube.
Hurry up.
Okay. I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna name it the van. I'm gonna name it Chicken.
Yeah, there's water, babe. Look at, there's water down there. Yeah. And this is what, 14,000 foot above sea level.
I think it is as well.